Hello there, this is Deborah, and I just received my package that I have been waiting for a little while. It was sent 3-day priority, but because of the mail being so slow, not anything to do with the store owner because she did her job very good. Now, this package is from Didie Bug Baby Boutique. The owner of this store, her name is Jennifer, and she has an Etsy store. Now, in her Etsy store, she is hand making some gorgeous, beautiful baby items. Now, she makes receiving blankets, she makes burping pads, she makes baby bibs, she makes teething rings, she makes car seat covers. Oh my goodness, look at this. She makes a little of everything. Now, you can mix and match from her items that she have, or you can go with the sets that she have. Now, I asked her to make me a special order. Now, you might say, well, what are you doing with that baby stuff, Deborah? I'm actually going to be adding these items over into my baby line that's coming either in the middle part of January or the first part of February. I'm actually going to be adding to my website some baby items to add into my gift boxes. I have a lot of baby products that I've made, and I've already tested them out, and for the last 2 years they have been working really good. Now, I was really skeptical about making sure that everything would come out right with the baby products, and I just tried to make baby products that's safe and not too complicated. Now, I don't make any no-tear shampoo or anything like that because I think it has something in it. I don't know what's in it, but it doesn't have what a soap maker would normally put inside of a castor soap, a liquid soap, or something like that. But anyway, I'm going to be, oh my goodness, I hate to even open this. Look at the presentation. She did a marvelous job. Oh my goodness. Like I said, I had been waiting for this, but this has nothing to do with the store owners over at Etsy's because they're getting their products out to you. It's just something to do with the mail, with the COVID-19 virus. Now look at that. The inside of this is so gorgeous. This is a double-sided where you can wear it, the baby can wear it on both sides. The inside has like a chenille material. The outside is a really soft felt. Oh my goodness, this feels so good to my hands right now. I don't even want to, oh my goodness, this presentation is so marvelous. Everything is just well done. If you go over to the Etsy store, it will not do justice compared to the way it feels in my hands right now and the way it looks. This is just so well designed. Now, this is the burping pad. And it's used for a lot of things, not just burping. But if you have makeup on or you have perfume on and you're going to burp the baby's not going to get all that, stuff on them. And actually, the baby's going to love the way this feels. I'm loving it right now. It is the softest material. And this is actually, let's see, this is the baby receiving blanket. And as you can see, it has a beautiful, oh my goodness, it feels so soft, lining inside. And I believe this particular item here is 29 by 26 inches. And that is a lot, that's a lot of blanket there. It's not too heavy and it's not too soft. It is just not too light. It's perfect. Oh my goodness. This is just going to be so awesome in my new baby line. This is just going to go well. Now, I had picked out so many items, and I thought you just need to get a few to get your boxes, your gift boxes going, so you can see if you're gonna like them or not. And I'm already loving it. This is just gonna go so well with my material. Now, like I said, I picked up 2 sets. And these are custom sets where you can mix and match. Now, at her store, she has sets where you can buy, or you can email her or however it needs to be done and let her know what your specifics are. She has a lot of material to work with, and she is so easy to work with. She is so kind and so sweet. Oh my goodness, I just love everything about her store. If you ever wanted to see some really beautiful stuff, now there's a lot of things on Etsy's. There's a lot of competition, but once again, Jennifer's a small business. Didie Bug Baby Boutique is a small business there on Etsy's, but she does fantastic work. So I hope if you need some baby items like these for yourself, for your family members, for your co-workers, or for your friends, whatever it may be, go over and give Didie Bug Baby Boutique a try, because you're not going to be disappointed. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is one of my favorite colors too. Now I love purple and hot colors, but this turquoise is actually my theme color for my business. It's hot pink and turquoise. I don't know if I'm going to change that or not, but right now that's what it is. This pattern here with the little piggies is going to go great for my pattern, my theme for my baby shower gift boxes that I'm going to be doing. So there's a reason for these, for me picking out this pattern here. The little guitar pattern could be either for a girl or a boy, but I actually got this for a little boy. But Jennifer did remind me that she sells a lot of these to little girl babies too. So it's just whatever the parents like that's pretty to them. And this is just very appealing to the eye. And it feels so good. My hands are loving this. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. I'm not going to open the rest of this one because I'm like, can I get this back in place? Although I'm going to be doing something different in the gift box, but I just don't want to do anything different here. This is just so nice, Jennifer. You did an amazing job. The presentation is just so sweet. It's so beautiful, and it feels good. This material feels so nice, and I'm loving it. And I hope you will too. And I hope you go over and give Didie Bug's Baby Boutique on Etsy's Jennifer Walker's store a try. Look at that. Handmade with love. Oh, she just got so much little pretty things here. I'm really pleased, Jennifer, and I'm so honored to be added your products to my website. These are just a few of the products that I fell in love with there. Thank you so much. Have an awesome and a blessed day. Don't forget, go over and check out Didie Bug's Baby Boutique on Etsy's. Bye now.